Hey, have you ever thought sitting posture on a toilet seat would be of some importance? And have you ever thought there is a need of a specific posture of for sitting on a toilet seat? So hey, I'm Dr. Anish Sharma. Yes, it is very important to have a correct posture of sitting on toilet seat. And for that reason, I bring you a very typical and very small point to your awareness. So, what actually, as a human being, we human beings are designed to squat for to eliminate. That is what we are in our body. We are designed for that. We have inherited that particular activity. And but what happens because of transformation, because of transition from our lifestyle, we adopted this particular posture of sitting in the toilet seat. That is the 90 degrees. But do you know this is possibly an unhealthy way of sitting on the seat? So I'll let you know why, how, and why it is unhealthy. So what happens? See, when we are sitting onto the toilet seat in a 90-degree posture, so what happens? There is a muscle in our body which we call puborectalis muscle, which is actually around our rectum, the point of elimination. So what happens when we are sitting on the toilet seat in this sitting posture? This particular muscles choke the rectum, and actually that choking actually limits or reduce the fecal movement, and we sometimes we need to push hard. So what happens? But we when we and we are designed for the squatting, so we thought that squatting posture can be built on these kind of toilet seats. Yes, this is possible. If we just put a stool and put our feet onto that and sitting on. So you see this angle, particular this angle. This angle again comes back what we do in squatting. All right, but how squatting is helping us? So that is a very valid question, and for that the answer is when we are using a squatting posture, that is a 35-degree angle between our thigh and the torso spine. So in that particular and in this particular you see position, that puborectalis muscle actually unchoke the rectum, and you see the passage of rectum through anus becomes smoother, or it is not kinked up, it is smooth, and that basically helps a easy passage for the fecal matter to go out, and we need to push less of pressure. It becomes a smooth process now. So that's why we need to understand the comparison of 90-degree sitting posture and a 35-degree sitting posture. And once we understand this, definitely, if we just consider this particular pic in where how the kink is actually blocking the passage of fecal matter, and how the unkinking of the rectum easy out the passage of fecal matter. So once we understand this, we actually can find out, or we understand it rather, how squatting is important and definitely uh, helps in this particular passing of elimination of our waste product. And this is how you see, this is how the kinking is possible, and this is in the second bit you see in the way I've written the squatting, the unkinking of the rectum is taking place, making the passage smooth. So I hope I could give you a very easy clarity on, and you know how now you can correlate why a sitting posture on a toilet seat can be of utmost importance. So thank you for all of you to listen me, and definitely I'm Dr. Anish from Preventive Physiotherapist. Keep bringing you so many and many more uh, preventive tips which we can implement in our daily lifestyle. And do scan, these are my contact social media platforms QR codes. Do scan and like and subscribe these platforms so that you'll be able to look around, see around so many preventive tips which may be helpful to you and easily implementable. Thanks once again for listening me and sharing your time. Thank you.